Hello Storm friends! Welcome to the Haven. I'm Musetta Lee Storm, but you can call me Muse. And in preparation for the warmer weather to come, I am going to show you how I make blueberry lemon freezer bars. So keep on watching. Okay, for this recipe we will be using an 8x8 inch pan. I have lined mine with parchment paper to make it easier to lift the bars out once they're done. You can choose to line your pan if you want to or not. We will also be using a food processor for a majority of this recipe. For the base of our lemon blueberry bars, we're going to start off with 1.5 cup oats, 1.5 cups flaked coconut. We're going to pulse these in our food processor until they are a coarse flour. Now that the oats and the coconut have been ground into a coarse flour, we will be adding maple syrup as the sticking component to the base. We will be starting off by adding 6 tablespoons, but you may need to add more than that to your mixture depending on the type of oats and coconut that you are using. Alright, now we are going to press our base mixture into the bottom of our pan and place it into the refrigerator to chill while we make the remainder of the ingredients for the lemon blueberry bars. Now we are going to get started on the lemon portion of the lemon blueberry bars. First, we're going to start off with 1/3 cup of coconut oil that we're going to melt down in a pan. While the coconut oil is melting down on the stove, we're going to combine the rest of the ingredients for the lemon portion in our food processor. Those other ingredients are 1 banana, 1/2 cup of shredded coconut, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Once the coconut oil has melted down completely, you will then add it to the food processor as you are still processing the other lemon bar ingredients. Once that's done, we will pour this into the base of our pan and then continue on to the blueberry portion. Now we are going to begin on the blueberry swirl portion. To start that off, we're going to need 1/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cups blueberries. I'm using the frozen ones from my garden. 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of water. Then we're going to bring that to a boil on our stove and let that boil for 1 minute before putting it into our food processor. The last ingredient that we will be adding to the blueberries is 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once the vanilla extract is fully mixed into the blueberries, we will be then adding the blueberry mixture to the lemon mixture in drops and then using a knife, toothpick, or fork to swirl the blueberry mixture around. Now that the blueberry has been swirled around the lemon, We're going to place that into our freezer overnight to 24 hours until it's nice and solid. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the one I've already prepared to show you all what it looks like. So once you have left the bars in overnight or for 24 hours, they should come out looking like this, nice and solid. Now I'll cut out a piece to give you an idea of what they look like. And there we have our lemon blueberry bars. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you give this recipe a try, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!